Hi, this is Lala Vlog and my YouTube channel, Daily Life. Okay, nagluto po ako ng merienda this hapon. So, ang tawag po dito ay kamote Q. Okay, no? So, ito po yung aming merienda this hapon. Shout out viewers, don't forget to like and subscribe my Lala Vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nga po, tapos ito yung ating pagluluto ng kamote Q. Ang ating kamote Q na masarap from Philippines. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Magmerienda ta. Kamote Q kayo dyan, Philippines. Okay, mabuhay. Mabuhay from Philippines, Lala Vlog, okay?